Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son?
And I'm back with another video. What's going on, guys? I know it's been a couple of days since I uploaded, but life's been getting in the way, you know what I mean? Anyway, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at one of the dopest shoes to drop this season. This season. Also, we're going to be taking a look at some clothes that I picked up too. You know, went into Nike and went a little crazy, so we'll be checking out that too. If you guys are new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. I would truly appreciate it. And you're most likely not following me on Instagram and Twitter. My links will be down below in the description at TheSonOfSomeMan. But I don't want to get, I don't want to talk. I want to get right into the video. So, all right, let's get into this. Where did I put that knife at? Oh, here it goes. I gotta get up. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Remember last time I opened up a box with this knife, I cut myself, so super careful. This is just a quick part of the video, real quick. I don't usually do unboxings either, but it's here. Why not? Yeah, as you can tell by the box, it's another pair of these bad guys. These are really dope. Put them up here. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Space Jam. You gotta go down. We got another Concord member moving in. Here we go. Boom. Bada boom. Just go Concord nuts. You gotta admit, this is the best sneaker of the year, besides those Fear of Gods. And I'm so upset I did not get them. Alright, now I'm just gonna show you the clothes I picked up. Start with the hoodies first. I picked up these two hoodies right here. They're white. I know they're probably gonna get dogged. They got the Nike on the front, as you can see on the front. Pretty dope sweaters, you know. And then I got this one that I'm wearing right now too, the black one. So that also. I've always wanted a Nike vest, so, well, not a Nike vest, what is it? I used to have, back in the day, I don't know if you guys remember, the bubble, the North Face. They had like, say blue or red or yellow, whatever was on the bottom, black on the top. But I like the vest like this one. I seen it. It was 120 bucks, so I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'll cop it. Pretty dope too. That's that. Then picked up this here Champion sweater. Pretty dope. Not really, I wish it was a hoodie. I'd probably get more wear out of it, but that's that. Went and scooped up some, just a Reebok joggers. These honestly are more to just lay around the house. They were like 20 bucks each, so like 40 bucks on that. Wasn't so bad. Also picked up this Champion shirt, just to pick it up. Then I got another Champion shirt, another Champion crew neck gray, another Champion t-shirt, another Champion t-shirt, another Champion t-shirt, and then another pair of those white Nike Tech pants. Pretty fire. Yeah, guys, and that's about it, man. Spent a lot of money this week, bro. Christmas time, and I feel kind of guilty. I got a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna get them a lot of stuff too, you know what I mean? Got my son the Concords, got Linda the Concord, so then I'm still working on some more gifts, so it is what it is. But this is probably gonna be a short video. Tomorrow I have the give back I'm going to be headed to in the morning. That has to do with TmarkGotKickss and whatnot. If you want to get more into that, you can check his link in the description. It'll be down there, his Instagram. You can check him out. He does a give back for like the kids and whatnot. I'm probably, like I'm gonna be donating a pair of sneakers there tomorrow too, and you know, see how the day goes out. So tomorrow's video is probably gonna be more like a vlog, you know, but an interesting vlog because like Nike hooks up with this guy, freaking, you know, Kyrie Irving's a big part of it. Like, it's really, really awesome to see, like, you know, guys like coming from where they came from and giving back to where they came from. Actually, like even if it's a pair of sneakers, you know what I mean? It means a lot. So it means a lot to me. You know, I used to live over there. Trust me, I lived in Soundview Projects. I lived, you know, that's where my grandmother used to live in. It's pretty rough over there, and he's actually, you know, giving back. It's pretty dope, you know what I mean? But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you want to do something, if you want to donate to the give back, I believe donations are over, but I don't know, maybe you can hit him up. TmarkGotKickss, his link to his IG will be in the description. You could DM him, talk to him, you know, check him out. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, it's your man, the son of some man, and I'm out. Peace.